Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the Makita holiday deals, the 2021 holiday deals, buy one get one free hacks. Makita, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this and make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, guys. We do have more videos that did came out already for DeWalt in Milwaukee, so make sure you guys check those out. I'll leave the link down or up in the description section of this, or down in the description section of this video, or up on the right hand corner for you guys. So we got some deals here. These are mostly been out already. Some of these you got subcompact 169. That's the kit. That's just by itself. That's just the drill. It is a brushless. I believe that's the new subcompact to the XFD15, I believe. 18 volt LXT subcompact, half an inch drill driver. So these are really small, compact tools. Then again, mostly for if you're professional, I guess you can use them, lightly used or DIY stuff like that. Got a compact reciprocating saw, and you got a compact circ saw. So pretty much all these are all compact. And guys, I did discover a little hack, a discount. Maybe you guys could get it if you guys like Makita. So I'll let you guys know what's up with that. Some overlapping discount. All right. So these are the new deals, the holiday deals, 2021 holiday deals that they're going to have, the buy one, get one free. There's a lot to cover here, so we're going to take a lot of time. We're going to cover everything in detail. So you guys do see at the bottom, you do have a lot of tools. Makita has a lot of tools. So you can buy that $399 kit. That's a hammer drill and an impact driver. I believe it's 2 4s. You're getting a charger. Guys, if you guys buy that right now, it's actually $379. It's not $399. So if you guys buy it for $379, I'll show you guys down on the then you and then you guys could get that $249 rear handle circ saw, get a free tool, or you can get the impact driver drill driver for $249 and get a free tool, or you can get the 2 batteries, I believe they're 2 4s for $179 and get a free tool. So you can get any of those kits. Which that rear handle saw that's a really good deal. The batteries is a good deal for $179. All right, so here's some of the tools you guys can get for free. You guys can get the radio, the Bluetooth radio. You can get the inflator, the vacuum, the circ saw, the router, the random orbit sander, the reciprocating saw, the jigsaw, the ratchet, the X-lock, the impact driver, the half an inch impact, or the half an inch hammer drill, the oscillating tool, the blower. That's a good one to get. The blower is a nice one. You got the X-lock angle grinder there, and then you got the actually 2 X-lock angle grinders, or it's actually one. There's one X-lock angle grinder, and there's a regular, the older angle grinder at the bottom, and then you get the screw gun. So you can get all those, but guys, that kit that's $399. It's down on this store. It's down to $379. All right, so you guys get the 45 piece for $19.97, and that's a really good deal there. With the $29.88, you get 3 different discs. Those are really expensive. The machinery cutting disc. You can get the brush tools there for $149. That's pretty good deal for the home owners, or DIYs and stuff like that. This is a pretty good kit for them, or for you in case you're a DIY. And you don't want to break the bank there for $149. That's a pretty good deal. All right, this is one of the tools. Most of the bare tools you can get for free. This is one of them. This is the ratchet, $159. It's valued at $159. It's the 3/8 or 1/4 inch ratchet. So there's like an attachment you guys can detach there. You get the random orbit sander here. There's a 5 inch. It's valued at $119. All right, so you got the router here. This is the brushless compact router. $129. It is brushless. BL means brushless. That's how they put their multi-tool. This is tool only. Alright, 129. It is an 18 volt multi-tool. Alright, got the inflator, so you could get the inflator for $99, or you can get that for free in a select with the select tool or toolkit. My bad. So that's the inflator. This is the angle grinder. It's a 4.5 5-inch angle grinder, 130 valued at 139. That is the angle grinder, and then they do have the X-Lock. If they don't have the X-Lock, you can go dig for it. I'm pretty sure you'll find it in another section of the store. Alright, you got this the circ saw there of 119. And if you guys see just above the circ saw, you guys do have the reciprocating saw. So that is a 6.5 circ saw. Alright, so you got the Bluetooth radio 149, and then which we're gonna see later on at this video. They didn't have it at this section, but you can, like I said, you can go around and find it somewhere else. Vacuum. This is the vacuum, 18 volt vacuum, $89, and then you got the brushless blower 129. This is a killer deal for this blower, guys. This blower is amazing. 459 CFM, 160 miles per hour. That is the vacuum, the CO2ZB. So, alright, that's the kit, guys. The hack is $399 and it's down to $379, so it's down $20. And plus you can get your 3 free tools. If you can find a store that has these deals, you could probably get that price. Not the $399, but the $379. So something to keep in mind. That's a little hack I have for you guys today. So you got the hammer drill and impact driver combo here. $249 will get you a free tool. It's done for $279. And then they got the jigsaw there, as you guys do see. That's the jigsaw, $159. And then you got the reciprocating saw to the right. Alright, you got the compact impact driver. Or the not the compact, but it's the impact driver. 119, valued at 119. That's the XDT 13Z. You got the, I believe that's a hammer drill. Half an inch hammer drill, 120, valued at 129. And that is the $179 kit with two 4 amp hours batteries and a fast charger. That is a fast charger, by the way. I do have this charger. Thing's amazing fast. And these are air cooled. It does have some vents. If you guys look at the top there, it does have some vents. All these batteries have some vents, so these are fast chargers. $179 with 4 amp hour starter kit, and you get you a free tool. Alright guys, this is the hack here. This is the deal that they got it. So it's the same, I believe it's the same kit for $379 as they have it here on this sale. So, and over there they have a free, you can get 2 free tools, I believe, if I'm not wrong. I just forgot about it. So yeah, you can get some free tools and pay that $379 price. So that's pretty good if you guys want to get that. If you guys can be early on this deal and just jump on it the first day that it's live, you might be able to get it for that price. All right, so you got the jigsaw there, and then you got the impact driver drill driver. These are brushless tools. This is just a drill driver. It's not the hammer drill. Pretty good deal there. If you guys could get it with that free tool, get those kits with the free tools. Got the subcompacts there for $199. You got the brushless drill driver, impact driver, 3 amp hour batteries, and then you got the X-Lock angle grinder there for $139. Then you got the discs there for $27. Guys, the $29 for 3 of them, it's even cheaper than that. So these are older deals. I believe some already Home Depots have these deals, but I would definitely wait for the Christmas deals. These are much better deals than these. I'm just showing you guys the tools and everything they had in this Home Depot. And if you guys can't find the tools over there, then make sure you guys come over here to the Makita section here, or you can get to the other power tool section there, and dig up your tools, find them, and then go to the cashier and get your free deals there. That's the 4.5 masonry disc. So it's $27.97 each. So if you guys get 3 of them for $29, that's a heck of a deal there. I'm probably gonna get some of those. And then you got the $129 value, any of these. Then $99 for the inflator. So these are pretty good deals. You guys know Makita. Makitas are solid. They don't get the attention that they need because they're really good tools. I do have some Makita, They're really smooth. It's really a pleasure to use these tools. The low vibration, you know, that you get tired, you get less tired with these than, you know, with the American brands. The American brands are just nothing but power. Sometimes they're comfortable and everything, but mostly they're focused on power. Makita's mostly focused on being comfortable, and you know, just being work all day. So you got the radio here. This is the Makita section, the regular Makita section. So some of the power tools that weren't over there, you can find them over here. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today for Makita. Later on, I'll see if I can upload a Ryobi video for you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.